Hi, this is James, amateur call sign Kilo Golf 5 Papa Tango Echo from Belton, Texas. I'm going to show you something, a little trick here about the ICOM 7300. Before you plug it into a computer, before you plug this USB port into a Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine, listen up. Make sure you download that driver from ICOM's website and install it on your computer first. Do not let Windows assign its own driver, or it will assign the wrong driver and you'll run into problems. Very common. Now, once you do that, you can start using programs like RT Systems, WSJTX, or any software you do, because in your device manager here, after you install that driver, it's going to show up as Silicon Labs UART Bridge COM3, whichever COM port you plug into. And one other thing you want to do, recommended, see where it says COM3 there? That's because it gets plugged into the same USB port every time. Marry that USB cable to that COM port and never change it, and you'll be fine. Most 99.9% of the time it will assign the same COM port. But like I said, make sure you download that driver from ICOM first, and once you get it installed, you can set your memories up on RT Systems like this, and then you can go up here to communications and send data to the radio, and it'll communicate through the USB cable. And while I'm on that subject of USB cables, you see this little ferrite choke right there? You want to buy one of these Triplites that has the ferrite choke on this end on the computer side and on the radio side, so that you don't have stray voltage or RF going from your computer to the radio or vice versa. Very important that you get one with ferrite chokes on both sides. And from my experiences, I would not clip your own ferrite chokes on there. I would buy one that has the ferrite chokes built into it, just to be on the safe side. Now, once you program your memories, it says VFO right there. To get into memory mode, all you do is you press and hold that, and it puts it in memo. And now you're in memory mode. And if you push it again, you're in VFO mode. So there's all of your frequencies that I programmed in with RT Systems. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps.